So this is carrying on from the previous video, being number 12, regarding the packs and weeks in packs. Now, what we're looking at here is the basic idea of what the pharmacy creates. Is just designated by this purple line. So how many they make, what weeks they make, and then how many packs are inside this. Now, going into this, the final setting or the final option really available for the patients, and we're referring here to the patient database that I've got here, the patient table packs collect, because the cycle here determines how many weeks are being created and how many packs are being created. That's what this cycle ID refers to on the cycle table. But through testing and trials of the program, one thing that needs to be covered as well are the anomaly patients. Now, these patients are patients usually with maybe mental disability or potentially even abuse of medications that they're not allowed to pick up all the packs. In other situations, which I'll go into in a second, it's just for the ease of use of the pharmacy. So for this example here, um, we know what the cycle is. This is all referring to the cycle, how many weeks, how many packs. However, let's just say, you know what, I'm going to get rid of some of these uh, just to make life a bit less confusing. Um, let's just get rid of this guy down here. Um, you know what? Let's just clear some of this out. Okay. Um, okay. Now, right now we're talking about a basic patient, a weekly patient. The pharmacy packs 2 weeks at a time, and 2 weeks are 2 packs are created. Now, it might be that we've actually got a patient with a mental disability or an abusable drug problem, and they are only allowed to pick up 1 pack per week. Now, this might be this patient here. Let's just draw a line there. The pharmacy makes 2 weeks. They make 2 packs for this patient, but the patient is only allowed to pick up 1 pack per week. So they come in here and they pick a pack up. They come in here, pick a pack up. Every Monday they come and pick a pack up, and that happens like clockwork. And these patients do exist. Now, it wouldn't affect this one here because the pharmacy makes 1 pack, so there's only 1 pack to pick up. There's no changes they can make to this, but it can happen with a monthly, weekly. Perhaps the pharmacy makes 4 weeks for the patient at one time, but they might only be allowed to pick up 1 pack each week, or in fact, maybe they make 4 weeks, but the patient's only allowed to pick up 2. I don't know why this might occur, but it will occur. So the reason for this, all that we have, is this setting here, which is just a number, and the only place where this actually affects is the collection screen. It doesn't affect the pack generation, it doesn't affect cycle generation, it literally doesn't affect anything except for wording. Okay, so let's just have a look on this one here. We've got packs to collect. I'll actually use the proper Weber program for this, which will hopefully make it a tiny bit easier to understand. So what we've got here, Sue Angel. Let's have a look what she gets. Okay, here's somebody we can use an example. Blinky Bill. Okay, Blinky Bill is a weekly patient. He gets his 2 packs, which we can see here. He's got his 2 packs. This is Blinky Bill here. He gets 2 packs created, 2 weeks created, and that's him right here. Now, let's just say that both packs are packed. All right, and we come in here and both are checked. So both are packed, both are checked. But let's say the pharmacist comes in here and Blinky Bill, he's a medium, which is not that important. Cycle type, he's a weekly, we've discussed that. But let's say 1. And so it says 1 there. Okay. So let's go into here. Blinky Bill comes in. Right. This patient receives 1 pack each collection. I need this big and bold. So maybe from here to here. We need it very important for the user to see only 1, because they've got 2 here, and if they give out both, then that's an error, because they can't give out both. They shouldn't give out both. They should only give 1 each collection. If in fact the yeah, so that's pretty much the idea, sorry, of that. It does say 2 packs are made. Each pack contains 1 week. That's just from the description of the cycle that this patient's on. But yeah, only 1. Now, the other thing the pharmacy might actually do is for Blinky Bill, just to make double sure, only give 1 pack per collection, and let's put a warning on there. Great, so here we go, and we go into Blinky Bill. Only give 1 pack per collection. They've got a warning, and great. And then they go, oh, only receives 1 pack. Fantastic, done. So that's completed. Okay, ignore that error that was just popping up then. To be honest, I don't know why that's occurring. It says it's already been given out, but it hadn't. I think that makes that section relatively clear. Hopefully it does.